Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Binance and going straight to security. This is where you enable 2FA. Install Google Authenticator now because you need it to scan a code. Do this before moving on. Once done, choose Authenticator app on Binance and click Link or Bind. You'll be shown a QR and a text code. You must copy or save the text backup. It's essential if you lose your phone. These steps let you securely pair the app to your account. You now open Google Authenticator and add a new account. Use the camera to scan Binance's QR code because it's fastest and avoids typos. If scanning fails, tap manual entry and paste the 16-digit key. This achieves the same result. Make sure your phone's clock or the app's time correction is synced. Inaccurate time causes mismatched codes. After adding, the app shows a 6-digit rotating code for Binance. This code proves the linkage and will be used every time you log in. You finish by entering the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Binance and confirming. This verifies the pairing. After verification, immediately save the 16-digit backup key and any one-time recovery codes in a safe place. They let you regain access if you lose the phone. If you ever get mismatched codes, first check time sync, then re-enter the saved key to re-add the account. Only escalate to Binance support when backups are lost. Support steps take longer and require identity proof.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.